Is your 2009-2017 Audi Q5 key fob struggling to lock-unlock your car? A weak battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple DIY task that saves you money compared to dealership service. This video guides you through the process step by step. Your Audi Q5 key fob, for models from 2009 to 2017, uses a specific battery that you need to identify correctly. This is the CR2032, a 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. It's important to verify the size before buying. The CR2032 has a diameter of 20 millimeters and thickness of 3.2 millimeters. These batteries are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers for around $5 to $10 each. Always double-check the size to ensure you get the correct CR2032 battery. You'll only need one essential tool: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. A plastic tool is recommended to prevent scratches on the fob casing. Have a soft cloth handy to protect the surfaces. Locate the small seam on the back of the key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam. Twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to apply excessive force. Once the key fob is open, locate the CR232 battery inside. Note the orientation. The positive side with the plus symbol should be facing up. Use a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool to gently lift the old CR2032 battery from its holder. Avoid scratching the contacts or bending the holder. Take a new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side marked with plus facing up. Press it firmly into the holder to ensure it sits securely without wobbling. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they snap shut. Ensure all buttons are correctly aligned. Double-check that the case is fully closed with no gaps. After reassembling the key fob, test all functions to ensure proper operation. Press the lock button and verify that your Audi Q5 locks respond correctly. Next, press the unlock button and confirm the doors unlock properly. Finally, test the trunk release button to ensure the trunk opens when pressed. If the key fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure you're using a new CR2032 battery. If problems continue, check your Audi owner's manual or consult a qualified technician. Simple battery swaps rarely require reprogramming. Also note that extreme temperatures during storage can sometimes cause issues. Here are some essential tips and troubleshooting advice for your Audi Q5 key fob. First, avoid forcing the fob open, as this can damage the casing. Use a plastic pry tool instead. For troubleshooting, if you notice corrosion on the battery contacts, clean them carefully with a soft cloth to restore proper connection. Looking ahead, newer Audi models are shifting to digital keys and rechargeable fobs, which may eliminate the need for battery replacements entirely. Finally, keep in mind that battery life can shorten by 20 to 30% in colder climates, requiring more frequent replacements. These tips will help you maintain your key fob effectively. Stay safe and enjoy reliable performance.